Hi students, this is trigonometric functions part 11. ನಾವು 8 ಮತ್ತು 9, 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ trigonometric functions of compound angles, allied angles ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ angles, solving some problems and also using product rule some problems. The first examples. Using the multiple angles, example, prove that cos of 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 times sin square x into cos square x. This one is 2 mark question. Idanna 2 mark keltare. The proof very simple. Here using multiple angles. Here prove that therefore taking left hand side ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ cos of 4x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This cos of 4x ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು cos of 2 into 2x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, which is in the form of cos of 2x. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? cos of ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos 2x. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. cos of 2x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, 4 types. One is cos square x minus sin square x. Second one is 2 times cos square x minus 1. Third one is 1 minus 2 times sin square x. The fourth one is in terms of tan x. So 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. With the help of right hand side. Right hand side ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 minus 8 times sin square x into cos square x ಅಂತ. Therefore 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯು ರೀರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್? ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x, 2 into x means 2x, 1 minus 2 times sin square of x means here 2x. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2x, 1 minus 2 times sin square x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 times sin square x means sin of 2x whole square. It is clear. This value is sin of 2x whole square. These steps is not necessary. Then for this value is equal to 2 times. Again here using sin 2x formula. What is the value of sin 2x? ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 2 times sin x into cos x or 2 times tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ sin and cos. Therefore sin 2x ಅನ್ನ 2 times sin x into cos x ಇದರ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 times a into b into c whole square means a square, b square, c square. It means 2 square is 4. Sin x whole square is written as sin square x. Cos x whole square is written as cos square x. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 into 4 means 8 times sin square x into cos square x. ಇದೆ right hand side values. We are using cos 2x formula and also sin 2x formula. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The similar type of question, 3 mark question. Prove that cos of 6x is equal to 3 times cos x minus 48 times cos to the power 4x plus 18 times cos square x minus 1. Here also using multiple angles. Left hand side values given that cos of 6x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. cos 6x ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು cos 2x ಮತ್ತು cos 3x ಎರಡೂ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Here cos of 6x can be written as 6 ಅನ್ನ 2 into 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು or 3 into 2 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ? -1 ಇದೆ. All terms are in terms of cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Therefore here better to write either cos of 3x, 3 into 2x or 2 into 3x. 2 into 3x ಬರ್ದಾಗ this value is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos of 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎರಡನೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 2x equal to 2 times cos square x means 3x minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ cos 2x 2 times cos square x minus 1 formula na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Again which is in the form of cos of 3x whole square. Again using here This one is cos 2x formula andre this one is cos of 3x formula. Cos of 3x whole square result ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 2 into cos of 3x ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 4 times cos cube x minus 3 times cos x ಇದರ whole square minus 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ which is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. 2 into bracket a square 4 square is 16 into cos to the power 3x whole square 3 into 2 is 6x minus 2 times ab 2 into 4 8 8 into 3 is 24 times cos cube x into cos x, its value is cos to the power 4x. Using law of indices, a to the power m into a to the power n means m plus n, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus b square, b anta helidre 3 times cos x whole square, 3 square is 9, cos x whole square is cos square x minus 1. Idanne now simplify madidre 2 into 3, 2 into 16, 32 times cos to the power 6x. 2 into minus 24 minus 48 times cos to the power 4x 2 into 9 plus 18 times cos square x minus 1 32 times not 3 times 32 times cos to the power 6x minus 48 times cos to the power 4x plus 18 times cos square x minus 1. Therefore you say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Cos to the power 4x can be written as 1 minus 8 times cos square x into sin square x. Cos to the power 6x 32 times cos to the power 6x minus 48 times cos to the power 4x plus 18 times cos square x minus 1. Hence the fruit. The similar type, the next one is proving in terms of tan x is also prove that tan of 4x is equal to 4x equal to 4 times tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 times tan square x plus tan to the power 4 of x. Here the solution is also is simple 2 mark question. Here left hand side is equal to tan of 4x. Tan of 4x can be written as tan of 2 into 2x. Again using tan of 2x formula, assume that 2x is equal to x. 2 times tan x. X means 2x divided by 1 minus tan square x, tan square of 2x. The first result using tan of 2x, 2 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Again here using tan of 2x formula, multiple angles. In numerators 2 into tan 2x means 2 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan of 2x whole square. Tan square x means again here put the value of tan 2x equal to 2 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು tan 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಅನ್ನೋದು x ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get the left hand side is equal to, therefore you can say that left hand side is equal to, here suppose both numerator and denominator multiplying 1 minus tan square x whole square, 1 minus tan square x whole square anta bardre, or you can write 4 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 4 times tan x whole square means tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1 minus tan square x in the whole square in the multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. For example, that is 4 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Here multiplying 1 minus tan square x whole square. In denominator is also here multiplying 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 times tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Here also multiplying 1 minus tan square x whole square. Just assume that this steps is not necessary. Here you know that 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan square x is cancelled. Here 1 minus tan square x whole square, 1 minus tan square x whole square. Therefore you are right directly. Suppose multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Numerator ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 4 times tan x into 1 minus tan square x. 1 terms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, 1 terms ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus tan square x ಮೈನಸ್ 4 times tan square x. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 4 times tan x into 1 minus tan square x. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, 4 times tan x minus 4 times tan cube x divided by ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ a minus b whole square, a square is 1 plus b square tan to the power 4x minus 2 times minus 4 times minus 6 times tan square x. That one is the right hand side. 4 times tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 times tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. That is exactly equal to right hand side. They are proving the left hand side is equal to right hand side. In both all the examples, using the first examples cos 2x, sin 2x, first and second example. Here cos 3x is also used. Here using tan of 2x formula. The next one, here using the multiple angles, find the value of tan of pi by 8. This one is one times asked in CET. CET question alli ondsala kelidare idanna. Tan of pi by 8. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. Pi by 8 means 22 and half degree. Here also using multiple angles. We know that tan of 2x is equal to 2 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Idu namagu gottide. Tan of 2x means 2 times tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Suppose here put the value of x is equal to pi by 8. Therefore, 2x is equal to, or it implies 2x is equal to pi by 4. Then substitute the values. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 2 times tan of pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan of pi by 8 whole square. Clear? But here you know that tan pi by 4, this value is equal to 1. Cross multiplications, you get 2 times tan of pi by 8 is equal to 1 minus tan of pi by 8 whole square. Or you write tan of pi by 8 whole square plus 2 times tan of pi by 8 minus 1 is equal to 0. Suppose here assume that tan pi by 8 is equal to x. Then you say that, or a. This one is a quadratic equation in x. Suppose you are taking tan of pi by 8 is equal to y. It implies you get the equations y square plus 2 times y minus 1 equal to 0. Then the value of y is equal to, it is a quadratic equation in y. Solving this equations, roots are y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of b square means minus 2 square is 4 minus 4ac minus minus plus 4 divided by 2a. Minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. But here pi by 8 is less than pi by 2. Less than pi by 2 means it is lies in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. It means here you know that y means tan of pi by 8 is equal to, it implies pi by 8 is lies in the first quadrant. Therefore, this value is always positive. Therefore, tan of pi by 8 is equal to minus 1 plus root 2, or you write root 2 minus 1 is the value of tan of 22 and half degree. Its value is not equal to minus 1 minus 2 root 2 because pi by 8 is lies in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. It's clear? Next, using the product rule, proving the sum problems, sum to product. Prove that cos 9x minus cos of 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin of 3x is equal to minus 2 times sin of 2x divided by cos of 10x. Here also using the product rule, left hand side values is equal to cos of 9x minus cos of 5x divided by sine of 17x minus sine of 3x. In numerators, you know the form of cos x minus cos y. In denominator, sin x minus sin y forms. You know the formula, cos x minus cos y is minus 2 times, both are sine of 9x plus 5x divided by 2 into sine of sum to product. Here sine of first term is x plus y by 2, second term is x minus y by 2. Cos minus cos means both are sine, cos plus cos means both are cos. Just remember this value is 9x minus 5x divided by 2, and in denominator sin x minus sin y, sin x plus sin y means 2 times sin and cos. So first term is x plus y by 2, second term is x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y means sin minus sin. First cos, next sin. 2 times first cos, cos of 17x minus plus 3x divided by 2. Second term is sin, sin of 17x minus 3x divided by 2. It means it simplify here. 2 cancel, minus in numerator sine of 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 by 2 means 7x, and sine of 9 minus 5 means 4 divided by 2 means 2x. In denominator is also cos of 17 plus 3 is 20 by 2 means 10, therefore cos of 10x into sine of 17 minus 3 means 14 divided by 2 means 7x. Here you know that sin 7x cancel, remaining terms minus sine of 2x divided by cos of 10x. That one is the right hand side values. Just 2 or 3 mark questions. The similar type questions using the product rule. Prove that sine of 5x plus sine of 3x divided by cos of 5x plus cos of 3x is equal to tan of 4x. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan of 4x. The proof is similar type using just product rule. We are taking left hand side. The left hand side is sine of 5x plus sine of 3x divided by denominator cos of 5x plus cos of 3x. Here you know that in numerator sin x plus sin y formula, in denominator cos x plus cos y formula. Just remember sin plus sin means first sin, second cos. Here multiplying 2 times sine of first term is always x plus y by 2. It means 5x plus 3x divided by 2. Second term is cos. The second term is always x minus y by 2. 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Cos plus cos, both are cos. So you know that cos of 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Here you know that this 2 is cancelled, this term is cancelled. Cos of 5x minus 2x by 2, cos of 5x minus 3x divided by 2 cancel. You get the values. Sine of 5x plus 3x, 8x divided by 2 means 4x divided by cos of 5 plus 3, 8 by 2 means 4x. Sin 4x divided by cos 4x, its value is exactly tan of 4x is the right hand side. It is also 2 or 3 mark questions. The next problem, the similar type, 3 mark, that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot of 2x. Here also the same method, the solution, left hand side value is equal to, here the left hand side is cos 4x plus cos of 3x plus cos of 2x whole divided by sin of 4x plus sin of 3x plus sin of 2x. Here using the product rule using only the two terms cos x plus cos y or sin x plus sin y. Better to rewrite this function is equal to cos of 4x plus cos of 2x plus cos of 3x because using associative property. Simple addition is always associative. A plus b is equal to b plus a, or a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c is also both associative and commutative. Here also sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is rewrite sin of 4x plus sin of 2x plus sin of 3x. Here using these two terms, the product rule, sin cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x, sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Here in numerator using the first two terms product rule, cos x plus cos y form, both are cos plus cos, therefore write cos of 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2 means 3x, and cos 4x plus 4 minus 2x divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 2 means 1 plus cos of 3x as it is. In denominator is also sin plus sin. You know that first term is sin, the second term is cos. Therefore, its value is equal to first term is sin. Sin of 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2 means 3, and the second term is cos. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 2 means x plus sin 3x as it is. Next, simplify this term. Here you know that in first terms 2 times, in numerators 2 times cos 3x into cos x plus cos of 3x. Simplify these terms. Here you know that in these two terms cos of 3x is common terms. Take outside the bracket cos of 3x into bracket. The remaining terms 2 times cos x plus 1. In denominator is also, here you know that 2 times sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. In these two terms sin 3x is common terms, take outside sin of 3x, taking outside the bracket. The remaining terms inside the bracket 2 times cos x plus 1. Its value is equal to, here you know that 2 times cos x plus 1, in denominator is also 2 times cos x plus 1 is cancelled. The remaining term is cos 3x divided by sin 3x. Again using by definition of cot x, cos by sin is cot of 3x, that is the right hand side value. Cot of 3x is the right hand side. We are proving cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot of 3x. The next one more problem, the similar type. Prove that the sin of 3x plus sin of 5x plus sin of 7x plus sin of 9x whole divided by cos of 3x plus cos of 5x plus cos of 7x plus cos of 9x is equal to tan of 6x. This problem is asked 2-3 times for 5 marks. Annual exam nalli ee question anna 5 marks ge usual ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Very simple questions using the product rule. First take the left hand side. The left hand side is sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x plus sin 9x divided by cos 3x plus cos 5x plus cos 7x plus cos 9x. Here remember cos x plus y or sin x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x minus y. Usually you can taking x is greater than y. We know that addition is always commutative. Either write a plus b or b plus a. ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೇ x ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9x ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 7x, 7x ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 5x, 5x ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3x ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 9x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin of 7x plus sin of 5x ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Because addition is always commutative. The values meaning is always same. Divided by in denominator is also the same forms cos of 9x plus cos of 3x plus cos of 7x plus cos of 5x. ಈ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The given function is as it is. Just interchange the values. The value of the given function is remains same. ಅದು ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗದೇ ಇರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕೆ you can rewrite this function. Again, using in numerator and denominator is the product rule. The first term is sin x plus sin y. Second term is also sin x plus sin y in numerators. You making two terms, one group, because the product rule using only two terms. In denominator is also cos x plus cos y, cos x plus cos y. You know the sin x plus sin y means two times. First term is sin, second term is cos. Just remember, cos x plus cos x means both are cos. The first term is always x plus y by 2. Second term is always x minus y by 2. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. x plus y by first ಗೆ sin, x plus y by 2 9 plus 6 12 by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 6x ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ cos ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 9 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, here also 2 times 7 plus 5. First term is always sin of 7 plus 5 is 12 by 2 means 6. Second term cos ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 7 plus minus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 divided by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x. In denominator both are cos, therefore cos a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. In terms of cos of 9 plus 3 is 12 by 2 means 6x. 9 minus 3 is 6 by 2 means 3x. Plus here also both cos plus cos, both are cos. 7 plus 5 is 12 by 2 means 6. 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 2 means 1, cos x. In these two terms, you can take the common terms in numerator and denominator, two terms. Here take the common terms. In numerator 2 is common and sin of 6x is common. The remaining terms you know that cos of 3x plus cos x. So in denominator is also here you know that 2 times cos x, cos of 6x, 2 times cos of 6x is common term. So and remaining terms inside the bracket cos 3x plus cos x. Here you know that this 2 cancel, cos 3x plus cos x cancel. The remaining term is cos sin of 6x divided by cos of 6x. By definition of tan x, this value is tan 6x is the right hand side values. One is 5 mark questions. 2-3 times asked for 5 mark questions. Very simple. You are using the product rule. Next example now next video dalli nodona. Thank you.